case was filed by a single mother whose identity the court protected and who wanted children born out of wedlock to bear a right to their father's names, even if the mother applies for the inclusion years later. She argues such children grew up without a full identity.
That our constitution also provides directly that any child born out of wedlock is a child under the laws of Kenya. That therefore means that if I would encourage all sponsors that before they go on to sponsorship missions, they need to know the consequences and to be very careful.
According to John Chigiti, her lawyer, the act as it is encourages the idea that it is a man's world. Same sentiments expressed by the Attorney General, who opposed her petition that law was aimed at protecting the men from unscrupulous women who may exploit the law for their own personal interest, such as money or status.
If you want to discourage gold diggers, a gold digger is only a gold digger to the extent that that child is not yours and somebody is purporting that child to be yours. And if you ask me, then what the Attorney General should do is to bring a law here that makes it a criminal offense for a woman to purport to claim a child to be somebody's when it is not.
In her ruling, Justice Mumbi Ngugi says the burden of children born out of wedlock has for a long time been placed on women.
The teachers are like, they are telling them, who are your father? I don't have a father. How can you not have a father? I don't know any child that dropped like manna from heaven. They came from somewhere and we all know where they came from. So really, fathers must, not even fathers, men must be responsible, women must be responsible. What the society has done in the past is to make it look like women have sex with themselves. Women have sex with men. And if they have sex with men, there must be responsibility both ways.
And as such, the children faced unnecessary discrimination based on their parents' marital status. In her ruling, High Court Justice Mumbi Ngugi declared Section 12 of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act unconstitutional, as it prevents a woman from filling in the details of their father in the birth certificate without his consent.
I think we should have provided a phrase in the Constitution that says that all those laws are hereby repealed by the passing of a constitution, because the constitution is very clear. Any child born out of wedlock has a father, and the fathers will have the same right as the mother. It is in the constitution.
She ordered the registrar of births and deaths to see to it that the necessary inclusions are included in the registry within the next 45 days. Sheila Sendeo, NTV.